Before starting last episode of mid-range PC gaming build parts, I would like to give little recommendation here. I would recommend the best gaming PC you can build for under $1,000. If you're looking to buy a pre-made PC, we recommend the GIGABYTE Pro Gaming PC Computer Trace Pro 9500 this 2019. At its center, this build has a powerful Intel i5 9400F and Nvidia's latest RTX 2060 Super GPU. The 3600 is one of the most anticipated CPUs to come out of Ryzen's 3rd gen lineup because it showcases superb price to performance. We've run various benchmarking tests on the Ryzen 3rd gen lineup and found the Ryzen 3600 is the best performing CPU for the price. You can check out our benchmarking videos, link will be provided in the description of the video. The 2060 comes equipped with Nvidia's new Turing architecture, which makes use of DLSS and real-time ray tracing, effectively future-proofing this card for years to come. Pair these new technologies with AI-enhanced graphics and the world's fastest GDDR6 memory, and you have the makings of a very impressive GPU. A high-end gaming PC is going to need a high-end memory kit. This RAM from Corsair is just that. With a 16 GB capacity and speed of 3600 MHz, the performance from this RAM kit has been proven to enhance the PC's gaming potential, especially the AMD build path. This SSD is renowned for being extremely reliable, meaning you won't be worrying about a failed drive after a few months with this one. Furthermore, 1 TB is more than enough to house Windows and a few primary games that require the SSD's fantastic loading speed. The old phrase of quality over quantity has definitely been put into practice here. Now you are going to need a reliable PSU to power this high-end gaming PC. That is where the Corsair RM650X comes in. This PSU features full modularity, making the build process easier and simplifying your cable management too. Aside from being from a brand you can trust, this PSU also comes with a gold efficiency rating, meaning comes with a 10-year warranty. The MSIB 450 Gaming Plus Max line of motherboards has removed the need to update your BIOS for the new Ryzen chips. This now makes your life a lot easier, and you can get to your games a lot faster. This board has everything you would expect from a gaming motherboard and some overclocking potential to push your CPU further. This motherboard also features some room for future expansions and storage upgrades, if you fancied installing an M.2 SSD. The Phanteks Eclipse P300 is top case selection, especially considering how affordable it is. Aside from its stellar build quality, quiet fans, and excellent airflow, you get something that looks great too. It's been designed with aesthetics in mind and has been equipped with a large tempered glass side panel to showcase everything this build has to offer. The case is made from high-quality materials, and will serve you well long into the future. That's it from this mid-range gaming PC build parts. The high-end gaming PC build part series will be soon uploaded on the channel. If you are interested in buying this $1,000 gaming PC, link will be provided in the description of the video. Go there and buy it. Hit subscribe and bell icons so that you can't miss our next high-end series video. Till next video, take care, goodbye.